Hello everyone, this is Dave from Fitness Technology Services. So I'm here today to really introduce you to a new product, a Kilowatt. It's something that I just recently discovered. But before I really get to that, I want to thank everybody for all your subscriptions, all your support. Hopefully the videos are doing good and it's really helped you out doing some of your own repairs. I really like doing the videos. They come in really handy for me too. I use them as reference from my own point of view. I actually use them for training with some of my guys. So I just want to say that it's been really nice working with everybody and producing these videos, and I like the feedback that I get from everyone. But again, today it's going to be a little different than a repair video. What we're going to do today is I want to go over a new product that I've been using. It's called a Kilowatt, and it's basically an amp detector. And basically all treadmills work off of amperage. The higher the amperage, the harder the treadmill's working. So if you have a blown controller in your treadmill, really the first thing you want to do is make sure that the amperage isn't good in it. So once you replace the controller, instead of worrying about if you have a worn deck and belt, just buy this little amp detector right here, and it's called a Kilowatt. So now before I started using this, these are the ones that I used in the past. This one I would have to take the hood off, obviously. I'd have to run the wires from the power through series and run through that. This one was a little easier. I could just clamp it on like so, right around the power wire, but I still had to take the hood off. So I left all these things at a customer's house one day, and so I desperately needed something, so I found a store that sold this right here. And this little thing is called a Kilowatt. Now, I really don't know all the little features that it does. I simply use it for the amps, for the treadmills, but it's really saved me a lot of time. I don't have to take the hoods off to find it. So for you, I think what it would do is find out if you've been lubricating it well, if you need a new walking belt. Because usually if your controller goes bad, there's a reason for that. So I'm just going to give you a little 5-second demo on how that works. So let me put that up right here. So then we're going to look at this one right here. So this is the Kilowatt that I got plugged into an extension cord. Normally it's plugged into an outlet, but I can't really get to an outlet and show you guys comfortably on a video. So I got it plugged right into an extension cord. So this tells me I have 122 volts AC coming in on it. All right, which is what you need. Basically they say 120, but it varies just a little bit. So right off the bat, I have enough current going to it. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go to amperage. Once I press the amperage button, I'm trying to find out how hard my treadmill is working. So to give you an example of that, I'm going to press start. So at start, at 1 mile an hour, it's pulling 0.42. So normally we test these things at 3. Okay, so at 3 miles an hour, I'm pulling 2.5, 2.13, 1.97. So that's really good. A brand new treadmill will pull between 2 and 3 amps. So the condition of this one's still in pretty good shape. All right. If your treadmill starts pulling 8 or 9 amps or 6 amps, then you've got a problem in that. So I'm going to walk on it for a second. Okay, so with me walking on it, it's still only pulling 3.5, 3.6, 3.4, 3.3. So it's barely really noticing me walking on it. So that's really good for a treadmill. So that's how you really tell if your treadmill's good. And this little device right here has really just been a saver on time and energy. All right, so that's all I really got to say about that. I just really wanted to introduce to how easy this is, just to plug it in. Then you just plug your treadmill right into it, hit start like you would any other time, and you're really good to go. All right, thank you very much for viewing this video. Hopefully you'll like this. It really comes in handy. You can actually use this for a lot of your other appliances. It's really made for like checking electrical voltages, checking how much waste that you possibly have, just checking how your appliances really are using energy. As you can see by the label on the front, it's got quite a few other uses. I don't know how to use any of that yet, so this is all I have for you. All right, thank you.